Esa fata sauti na ya chini kufuna ya di browser ano kiti wisi anyere do bia na anopai F-pack ani BX tablet eke ho adibu a ultimate na utie o ya. Now live on our Facebook page if I touch ade enro Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium when obia eke wasem Adom 106.3 FM Heart of Lions any Metema Kumasi Sante Kotoko Bono eto atenemu wiye referee say offside na hego no referee na anya no hwe mame na mame enti wadwenkyere go no obi adwen ho a de enti a referee no ege offside no obi adwen ho a onti ase eti bia o hwe a bia wo betima kyerɛn de enti a offside no de enti a wanye sa particular goal yi no live on our Facebook page na o hwe no BX tablets and a wire na ho towa ese onom BX tablets, yes. And for safe, the Abadjaman so say me boa pa. MTNs everywhere go my MTN app national person BBS or yan Western they say yeah BBS easy. Play Store and App Store. Play Store and App Store so we ma download my MTN app no na wa filia dia ko anim ni dia but on safe or the F-pack ni BX but we can ho asam dia tell dada and the DBS Industries Limited so more board than so yi still work and the concrete works in no DBS Industries Limited na dia basa me boa is a dino usia fashion DBS fonsa fashion monsa ombesi dina kama and near my quality nko a and omde ebe ma na bibia so atimi akoyi ete amount yes no enyumekwa and yes akonkwa no premier sports page one idea bro immortal ajakwa champion let's go brainstorm right time and fell and James on ba makion producer no promo kame ho many samoro ade bro kai say odi nankasa beka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi eti wo hwe Heart of Lions of na she blue no ana kotoko obviously am na she red no eti Heart of Lions player no ebia na o data na slow high use MTN and you my Facebook no yet to be describe yanza Boadi throw line ho so na ba dua kwa no outside the penalty box or tie shot na the lad no goalkeeper no pushy ball ne pie wow o pushy ball ne pie na Heart of Lions player ba ko ejira ho no ball ne tum clean atumu but abroad na shot no ye tie shot no baby na player no ball no ehye etopo ni no ejina no ene ye hwe ne sisia ene be kire se oye offside and say onye offside na 3 kotoko players ejina ho wo ne player no ejina ho etu ha House of Lions players na ye wo map no ni coach na tumika ko park ne so ka say wo mo awi ni awie na so na stand referee page na franka pa ne boss pa nya sam keto akra etuwe ene de yakọ so kuma say yeah show live on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM now you see Mohammed Nuruddin wano aye coach panipa at the Heart of Lions go no ya anye no de okafa ho ne
for me when the game ends and is this way I feel that the people who were holding the whistle of course the law was in their hands and this is a goal I believe it was a goal but of course sometimes they say they have little time to decide so I would say that they actually made a wrong decision in this goal, but I think that it has ended and we are at least gotten a point out of it. So next time I'm sure they will not make this mistake again when they watch these clips.
Wayne and someone you see if Mohammed Nuruddin where coach Panipa the Heart of Lions or the two just say or GD go on the go na woman emrane show munsa no moye de anu moye no let am ko clip where menyini say match from Russia one be sala go no and ye hwe e go we so de hu asan referee o sema papa asan referee menim de Ethiopia flag no you see Mohammed Nuruddin ekasa for game na kasa ho
I would say it's a very good game that both teams played today. Of course, we as Bando Heart of Lions know very well that this is a difficult venue to get even a point. So coming, of course, we are coming to at least make sure we either pick a point or the 3 points. We're not coming for a lose. And I think that we actually programmed and planned ourselves towards this particular game. And at the end, this is at least a point for us. Like we said, a new team coming into the league and coming to Marcy to play against Ashanti Kotoko and picking a point. I think I must congratulate my boys for giving out the best show to at least get a point.
When someone Heart of Lions coach the two watch them say at least womunya a point. Ache se kwambia so no womani age papa nya sam keto akra na ya hwe se be kire ati ugo no mo sheti house na ya hwe benya go na mamia ati ugo no mo sheti house no ha echi fast na ye fi kotoko de no kotoko ball draw Kasano to say Ghanaian Premier League once na make no league number. Yes, eba. A bounce back din weekend na nyasam keto akra. Na okopie mu ewo Tamalea. Na no memeneda. Ye. Until ya potese ya be pokra house kasa wa twendro. Kikri free panyan. A free ya bobo na tum. Anyasam keto. A free ya bobo na tum gidigira. Just you know what Tamale, but my Mako fans think as a umbia. Because fans no, say no more park, Momokoy, and I don't cook a crack. Fine, this side, via beside one in Indiana, why am I come near the other? But the fans think attitude, Janiana, if you young Tamale. I feel like you try and you know, you're being fantasy. She said, I'm if you want, no one what you Anna, I never quite Muslim advantage. They say, make your show some coach back at you and say, when you know new players, remember, but the players are not going from, so, obviously, I said, the boy when you draw. We see the show much more. But we are in a swap. We need to go to one time. So far, 1 point there for the sir. Game media. Also IFS games. Obia Pesia Besano. So they were questioned. The players were questioned. Say or more in their mistakes be brave. And Michelle Kotoko team now improvement very better because board of boy and encouraging. I can say it to me. I finishing 30 no way. It's me finishing 30 no way. You should say next game no. You bet me a win. Yeah. What game no going to say? Oh yeah, dear pa. Yeah, her last week, you know. I knew what my boy friendly now. And then they're quite impressive. Yes, like now, my your goals in there, but you share you compare too much with the baby papa or my. Wow, got go fast now. One day on summer to Gasano. And young Tamale, near the cost of Tamale, Brazil for a copium Tamale first game of the season. But go at the house and up a screen Luciano. Adom 106.3 FM. Our Facebook, Adom 106.3. Not just a corner ne ba yewu na Richard Atapie na free nitia kapa live on Facebook at Adom 106.3 joining na yenhwe send besia kwa after the game na se kwambia so no Abdullahi on coach Panidima RTU was it RTU for media growth season mo hwe.
We started with a very young team. People didn't give us the dog chance, but we knew what we were doing. We are telling people that there are talents up north here, so they should watch them. I think it's a young team. We have to be development oriented. We shouldn't be thinking of just high profile players or whatever. Try and see how you can bring somebody from the grassroots up to the topmost level, and that this team is going to make a mark in this competition.
Wow, I don't know ask you coach somebody to just say team no e make him mark competition you go live on Facebook ata anka kuleti ade ne goes where say kopie ne ntabe ponche na or ponche am ponche. Yes, Martinus Koopman one ye coach the man house of folk was actually RTU for Bobo mu deserve win the next RTU win answer.
If you lose then always you are disappointed, but I think for the public it was a very nice game to see, a fighting game. Of course we like to play football, but if you cannot play football you must fight also. In the first half we have a lot of chances also, so we don't say it's not deserved. Say last seconds they corner kick they scored. I think overall the game they deserve a winning game.
I see you. The RTU left it.
Coach Oakman, then someone told Jan and Koopman said they deserve to win. Yes, RT deserve a winning game. 1-0 against Accra Hearts of Oak. Now, Lagos City's Chikarala. Eshe ewak boneka mienu Karala take mu baako na Samates eche aduana share samana boy boneka baako a aduana sasa to me ante sanso na Great Olympics so ne bofo akwa ball zolo ewa Accra Sports Stadium bekum Chelsea eche biane Gold Stars boneka mienu biane Gold Stars to me ante ana instructor manchi betem ho bom kamienu a betem fo to me ante utumi sanso manya da ho krepa ene sama Chelsea ko ball draw ha so lusu ya and no Wednesday media Sporting Club so agent national on a Lions abo na Dreams FC so and Nations their pem so na no ye ntia one more Airborne Wednesday ni say one more Airborne Africa competition the can so after me ya can Africa competition no so when answer no e pa to Media Sporting Club any horoya and the pem so and the CAF Champions League ni mo e wo Cape Coast Sports Stadium ye Media for ati horoya for who fit top anya sam keto akra one more one more manya da hokre horoya for no next match mo kan say mo moy I'm going to say more money. That's also one way they umbrella Poma Kamiansa and my Hoya for at the Academy Aya Bakwanti anymore. So next week, Mediama Kopimo, our Hoya for Kruma, will meet me iron one at one assassin and Yamano, ABC Ako. It will send a secret 3-1 from Mediama Sporting Club and Nigeria or Mania to be pop near Casa, Trinio Cra, and say Yano Babati Bakwa. Because first of no Bianchi, it's a man focus, and I never had dream. Not just a Quambiaso. Kofi Asma go biwo ewo Cape Coast na nyasem keto akra hey oh dabi Nana Kofi Babel go and of course Nuruddin Abdullahi go at my Media Sporting Club one more atumi akushino ho going into the Champions League second leg so make history by reaching the CAF Champions League group stage for the first time na kese no ne de efi Media force so akache eba Dreams FC force boy Confederation Cup ni mu a one more gina mo naso gidigidi petre head hammer omni Kalon FC and the prim so mo bo Kalon for yi Kambi no a Kalon for ne tie kan mo back Dreams force so second leg ni mo no one more de win and na ko na Kalon for no atumi abenya away goal to 2-1 de bendodo Dreams for mo kwere mo ho obi man so tie be se na ho sam so besi akọ Abraham kokopie mo avese ombeko Sierra Leone akoya mhufi potopoto e wa the second leg ni mo to we ne de yakoso in the Confederation Cup no so mu a tie mo sam so e bro and anopay live on Adom 106.3 FM Sports Page 1 as tie be so esansa nyumre se bebre ho de beba se no so mame se weekend ko pie mo ya no mama so e ba to Real Madrid Eba back we need 2-1 after Sadada taking lead no in the 5th minute. First half, yeah, 1-0 na kowie here. And if Federico Valverde ne Yoselu back, eba share 2 goals and my Real Madrid moment we need 2-1 our game of Sadada de Primo Sudimo. Sevilla we need 1-0 over Las Palmas. Villarreal Asiedu Maria bon 2-1 but Atletico Madrid Valencia bon Kamiansa oman tumiante ko for bet ya say hey Barcelona se me meshe na dan Barca so agent na so bogu community pa na nyasem keto akra Barca kire se no fi mani abre pa Barcelona bogu meka enum over Betis to me until acts of Lewandowski your Felix Rafinha mu nyina share goals and my Barcelona fo na nyasem keto akra Iñaki Williams shade mabobao Nyaki de okone ho de ohew ma Boadi a go ne ma I don't know odwe ho a wonte ase no you can't think man you go explain tire hey I was here Debbie Della Madonnina eba so wo Italy hey jai Inter Milan AC Milan pem so Inter Milan pribia AC Milan so pribia ko na wie no na Inter Milan na bo AC Milan na kenu ama AC Milan take dem back Rafael Leao na share consolation oh no Juve agent naso Lazio by 3 goals to 1 and Napoli also pribia na so Napoli man focus we de Napoli bebogum so Napoli ko train draw and na AS Roma you see Marino ebo 7 goals hey ja and you never cause matches ni mo nyina no se na won sam si etie Napoli ni January ebo 2-2 in the EPL and Sania compared Chelsea train draw zolo Arsenal ko Everton ko bon 1-0 since 2017 Arsenal team ko win ho Okwane welcome City bo West Ham 3-1 Tottenham winning 2-1 over Sheffield United Manchester United Brighton born 3 ekome enyo eni 3 United team bako chese Ghana ni Tariq Lamptey replay abo ye 2 assists then Webber cross so say go the Ghana for na jade na boso Liverpool win 3-1 over Wolves ntika hye no so sa FMA wey no Manchester hodro e ba so a ye don sam so e bro na anopai ye na sorry so na yakọ Germany de oni tua se Bayern Munich de kikiri sa but omo twin draw against Leverkusen yes and Dortmund even 4-2 e hono Paris Saint-Germain eso ebukemu fam mo mun teacher eso FMA me MTN everywhere you go my MTN app no so na yesi opeso ye BBS oja no Play Store apps no download besani mumu ayewa isi osani mumu kura ye san sika oh momo no so nya points ya winning ska F pack ni BX tablet tampon say fa de kan ho no pa bia na de brawo ne so mo kan ho ne de bae pen be kwa F pack BX tablet why na ho to wa des onom DBS Industries Limited bodane so ye DBS metem so adama sorry concrete this three works say omo come up no kwedi esi akonkon am the sports page 1 pro live on Adom 106.3 Motala Jakwa champion let's go brainstorm right time nyora Fred James on ba makion me producers no pom come ho me dey sam no dia bro kai say we dey nanka sabeka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi am say ko so ati twa so page 1